Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok Shop Commission. Now, the first thing to do so is to simply open TikTok application on your phone and click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And once you go to your profile, click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner, then choose Creator Tools. And when you scroll down right here, you will find here this option, TikTok Shop, tap on it. And here it will show you all the guidelines and what are the requirements to create your own shop on TikTok. You'll need to have over 1,000 followers and you need to be over 18 years old. Just check these boxes, then click on apply. Once you click on apply, it will take a few minutes to review your account. After that, it will show you this congratulations message. Now you can simply click on start earning. Then it will show you this page. Click on go to step 1. You'll have to enter some information like your first and last name, and you need to make sure that your first and last name are the same as your beneficiary account or any bank account that you will receive the money on it, and of course the same as your national ID or passport. After that, click on submit. It will show you here that you have your account created. You can now click on add products. You can simply now search for any product that you want. Let's say that you have a collaboration with a specific product or a specific brand. You can simply search for its products on TikTok Shop. Once you search for it, you can simply click on add. Then once you add it, you will have this message above, product added. And now we have your product added and the shop is ready to use. You just have to click on got it right here. And now let's say that you are uploading a video like this one over here. You'll find here a button on the right side on the bottom of the screen. Just click on next and it will show you all these options when uploading the video. You just have to click on this option, add link, and this option will be only available if you have products added to your TikTok Shop affiliate. Click on this plus sign, then click on product, and now we can search for any product that you have in your shop. You just have to click on add on it. You can also search for some products if you need. Click on add, then click on add again, second and third time. Then here, as you can see, when you go back to this page, you will find out that it is added to your video. And now when anyone watches your video, you will see that this message will appear showing the link to purchase the product. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.